Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Basalt Tech, and here I am going to show you that how can you earn Tron for free, and you can earn up to claim up to 30 TRX per or absolutely free from this earning platform. Scroll down, you can check out features of this website, claim faucets, answer surveys, play games, weekly contest also available, referral commission, instant withdrawal from here very easily and authentically. More scroll down, FAQ session. You can read out all these useful information about this mining platform, earning platform. Now the question is that how can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on link and you can reach here without wasting any time. Just need to click on sign up option now, and here you need to enter your username, then email, then put password at two places, and then fill up the captcha that is verified that you are a human being. Then click on sign up option. Now you can create your account in this website through this way very easily and authentically. I have already account now. I am going to log in and I will further teach you each and everything about this mining platform, earning platform. Stay with us, stay tuned. Now here you can see that your faucet depend upon your earning level. Scroll down, you can check out Vanguard and target 50 TRX, and scroll down you can check out we have level system option in this website. If you have platinum level here, you will receive 1 TRX per hour from this website. If you have diamond, then you can get 5 TRX, and if you have master, you can generate 30 TRX per hour from this website. Now we have stone, iron, bronze, silver and gold also available, and you can also check payouts by per hour from this website. Now after do this, if you can verify your email in this website, then you will receive 10 free bonus from here, 10 free bonus faucet, and double your faucet reward for 1 day from this magnificent earning platform. Means that if you verify your email, then you can get 0.1 TRX from here. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now we have another option, that is games option, and here you can see that you can play it out. You need to play out from here dice, mines and tower, limbo, kino, wheel, check and luck, plinko and sikbo also available to be earning, to enhance your earning in this website. You can check out, I played dice many times to be able to get a huge benefit from this website. After do this, then we have another option, that is affiliate program. Here you go to your affiliate link, you have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. For each referral earning, you will receive 50% of referral commission from your each referral. Hopefully you like it, you love it. How can you take withdraw from here? Click on it and you can see that contact us. You can contact in through this website from the owner of this. If you have any question about this relating website, you can ask in this session. Now we have withdraw option, how much withdrawal you can take from here. Whenever you have 15 TRX in your account, you can take withdraw from here. Only 0.2 TRX will be fee for your transaction. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Here you can select your currency, enter your required password of Tron TRX TRC20. Here you need to enter your max amount of TRX and fill up the captcha and click on withdraw option. You can take withdraw from here within minutes. Hopefully you like it, you love this one. After watching this all video, if you still have any question about this related earning platform, you can ask me in the comment section. Hopefully you like it, you love this one.